Rwanda and Tanzania share more than just a border. Our strong historical ties and common aspiration to deliver prosperity to our people have always been central to our cooperation. With the signing of these agreements, we are committed to ensuring that this visit leads to tangible results and gives renewed momentum to our bilateral relationship. This also gives new impetus to key infrastructure and investment projects of mutual benefit, particularly the standard gauge railway line, milk production, and improved port logistics. Rwanda stands ready to work closely with our brothers and sisters in Tanzania in the context of the East African community and beyond, to speed up our countries and our regions' recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic.